There's no place in the world quite like New York City. A vibrant mix of culture, history, art, and ambition. This iconic metropolis pulses with energy from every street corner. From soaring skyscrapers to hidden gems tucked into neighborhoods, NYC invites you to explore its endless layers. Whether you're drawn by the bright lights of Times Square, the calm paths of Central Park, or the rich stories in its museums and landmarks, the city offers something for every traveler. Get ready to dive into the heart of the Big Apple and experience its unmatched rhythm, one unforgettable spot at a time. Ellis Island stands as a powerful symbol of America's immigrant heritage. From 1892 to 1954, over 12 million people passed through this gateway in search of a new life. Walking through the restored halls of the Immigration Museum, you can almost hear the echoes of hopeful voices and footsteps that shaped the nation's identity. Historic photographs, original documents, and personal stories bring the immigrant experience to life. Just steps from the Statue of Liberty, Ellis Island offers a deeper understanding of the courage, struggle, and dreams that built America. Towering over New York Harbor, the Statue of Liberty is one of the most recognized symbols of freedom in the world. A gift from France in 1886, this colossal figure has greeted millions arriving by sea with her torch held high. Up close, the details are striking, from the broken chains at her feet to the 7 rays of her crown. A climb to the pedestal offers sweeping views, while the museum inside tells the story of her creation, symbolism, and enduring legacy. It's not just a monument, it's a statement of hope and liberty that continues to inspire. In the midst of Manhattan's towering skyline lies Central Park, a peaceful green escape that stretches over 840 acres. More than just a park, it's a living, breathing part of the city, blending nature, culture, and recreation. Winding paths lead to scenic bridges, calm lakes, and open meadows. Locals jog, relax, or enjoy street performances, while visitors discover spots like Bethesda Terrace, Bow Bridge, and the Ramble. Each season brings a new charm, from vibrant fall colors to spring blossoms. It's where New York slows down, even if just for a moment. An icon of ambition and architectural brilliance, the Empire State Building has defined the New York City skyline since 1931. Rising 1,454 feet into the air, it offers panoramic views that stretch across all 5 boroughs and beyond. From the open-air 86th floor observatory to the glass-enclosed 102nd floor, the city unfolds beneath you in every direction. Inside, immersive exhibits tell the story of its construction and cultural impact. Whether day or night, the view from the top captures the sheer scale and energy of New York like nothing else. A sensory overload of lights, motion, and energy, Times Square is the heartbeat of Midtown Manhattan. Massive digital billboards tower above the crowds, casting a constant glow that turns night into day. Street performers, costumed characters, and travelers from around the world fill the streets, making it a non-stop spectacle. It's home to Broadway theaters, flagship stores, and the iconic New Year's Eve ball drop. Love it or not, Times Square captures the bold, electric spirit of New York, loud, bright, and impossible to ignore. Stretching gracefully across the East River, the Brooklyn Bridge is both an engineering marvel and a timeless symbol of New York. Completed in 1883, its Gothic-style towers and sweeping cables create one of the city's most iconic silhouettes. Walking or biking the bridge offers stunning views of the Manhattan skyline, the Statue of Liberty, and the waterfront below. It's more than just a way to cross between boroughs. It's a journey through history, connecting the city's past with its ever-evolving present. The Metropolitan Museum of Art is a world of creativity and history under one roof. With over 2 million works spanning 5,000 years, it's one of the most comprehensive art collections anywhere. From ancient Egyptian temples to European masterpieces and modern American works, every gallery offers something to explore. The grandeur of the building itself, especially the iconic steps and Great Hall, sets the tone for what's inside. It's not just a museum, it's a deep dive into the beauty, complexity, and diversity of human expression. In the heart of Midtown, the Broadway and Theater District brings stories to life on stage like nowhere else in the world. With dozens of historic theaters packed into a few bustling blocks, this is the epicenter of live performance. From timeless classics to groundbreaking new productions, the energy of a Broadway show is unmatched. The lights, the talent, the emotion, every curtain rise feels electric. Whether you're in a grand theater or a smaller off-Broadway gem, this district captures the magic of live storytelling at its finest. The 9/11 Memorial and Museum stands as a powerful tribute to the lives lost and the resilience of a city forever changed. Twin reflecting pools sit where the World Trade Center towers once stood, their cascading water etched with the names of nearly 3,000 victims. Beneath the surface, the museum offers a moving and deeply human account of the events, with personal stories, artifacts, and recordings that honor memory and encourage reflection. It's a place of silence, strength, and remembrance, where history is preserved and the impact is never forgotten. Once an elevated freight rail line, the Highline has been transformed into one of New York's most unique public spaces. Stretching above the streets of Manhattan's West Side, this linear park blends urban design with nature and art. Lush gardens, contemporary sculptures, and panoramic city views make every step along the path an experience. Locals relax on wooden lounges, while visitors take in views of the Hudson River and nearby architecture. It's a creative reuse of space that turns a walk into something inspiring. Tucked between skyscrapers in Midtown, Bryant Park is a peaceful, elegant retreat in the center of the city. Surrounded by the New York Public Library and bustling streets, it offers tree-lined paths, open lawns, and classic green chairs, perfect for people watching. From summer movie nights to winter ice skating, the park hosts events year-round that bring locals and visitors together. Whether you're grabbing a coffee, reading a book, or just taking a break, Bryant Park offers a calm, cultured pause from the city's non-stop pace.